Hey guys, welcome to Auto Take Care Vlog. Share ko lang kung paano mag-reset ng oil life sa Chevrolet or GMC bago palitan ng langis. Punta ka sa loob ng sasakyan, then hanapin mo yung oil life. Pwede mong i-reset dito by long press. Marireset, magiging 100%. And then pwede rin dito sa pedal, stay key on, don't run the engine, then press accelerator pedal within 3 times within 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Look, and then the oil life will become 100%. Yun lang. Thank you. Kung may question kayo, comment below and then hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod na ating video. Thank you. God bless.